This is the continuation of the lesson for class 9th for the subject of chemistry, topic information conveyed by a balanced chemical equation, which is covered in chapter 1, the language of chemistry, and is being submitted to you on 19th April 2021. So students, in the second video we will discuss the topic that information conveyed by a balanced chemical equation. So students, look at the following balanced equation, which is 2NaOH plus H2SO4 give Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. So this is a balanced equation. So the above equation tells us that one is about the reactants and products formed in the reaction. Number 2, the number of molecules of all the substances involved, like here we can see 2 molecules of sodium hydroxide react with 1 molecule of sulfuric acid to give 1 molecule of sodium sulfate and 2 molecules of water. Third, chemical composition of each compound, like sodium sulfate, which is Na2SO4, contains 2 atoms of sodium, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. Number 4, every atom has a fixed mass called as atomic mass. When we add the atomic masses of all the elements of a molecule, we get the molecular mass. A balanced equation will tell us molecular mass of reactants and products formed. In a balanced equation, mass of reactants is equals to mass of products. So atomic mass of sodium is 23, oxygen is 16, hydrogen is 1, sulfur is 32. So the equation is 2NaOH plus H2SO4 give Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. In this we will add the atomic mass of these elements present in this equation, above equation, which is sodium. So there is 2 molecules of NaOH, so 2 will come out of the bracket, and into the bracket we will write 23 plus 16 plus 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 32 plus 16 into 4. It will come on the left hand side. On reactant side there is 23 into 2, because 23 is a atomic mass of sodium, so it will multiply with the 2 atoms of sodium. So 23 into 2 plus 32 plus 16 into 4 plus 2, in the bracket 1 into 2 plus 16, bracket close. So it will become 2 into 40 plus 98. There is 142 plus 36. On solving this on the reactant side and the product side, you will see there is a number of atoms is same. So mass of reactant is equals to mass of products, means if it proves that the law of conservation of mass. Let us take one more example, which is of zinc plus 2KOH give K2ZnO2 plus H2. Here, 1 atom of zinc reacts with 2 molecules of potassium hydroxide to give 1 molecule of potassium zincate and 1 molecule of hydrogen. So, atomic mass of zinc is equals to 65, potassium is 39, oxygen is 16 and hydrogen is 1. So put these atomic mass in this given equation. So it will become 65 plus 2 bracket start 39 plus 16 plus 1 bracket close. On the right hand side 39 into 2 plus 65 plus 16 into 2 plus 1 into 2. So it will become 65 plus 112. On the right hand side 175 plus 2. So 65 gram of zinc reacts with 112 gram of potassium hydroxide give 175 gram of potassium zincate and 2 gram of hydrogen. So the mass of reactant is equals to the mass of product, which is 177 gram is equals to 177 gram. Now we will do the limitation of a chemical equation. A chemical equation cannot tell us, number 1, the reactant and products are solid, liquid or gas. Number 2, the speed of the reaction, slow rate or fast rate. Number 3, time taken for completion of the reaction. Number 4, during the reaction, heat was released or absorbed. Number 5, the reaction is reversible or irreversible. Number 6, the reaction is completed or is incomplete. Now we will do the making chemical equation more informative. We can make a chemical equation more informative by writing the temperature, pressure, catalyst, etc. above or below the arrow separating reactants and products. Let us see in example. So example 1 is N2 plus 3H2 in the presence of Fe plus MO 450 degrees Celsius 2NH3. So students, here Fe is a catalyst, MO is a promoter, and the temperature required is 450 degrees Celsius and pressure is 200 to 900 atmosphere. Similarly, in the second equation, which is ammonium chloride on decomposition give NH3 plus HCl. So here hydrogen chloride gas, upward arrow, it is here the upward arrow is showing, so it means it is a gas. In the third equation, on heating calcium carbonate give CaO, CO2. So this symbol, that is of triangle, shows symbol for heat. So calcium carbonate decomposes on heating. Decomposes means finish. Now move on the fourth equation, which is on reacting the zinc with hydrochloric aqueous solution gives ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. Similarly, the fifth equation on reacting carbon, which is solid, with oxygen gas, it will give CO2 and release heat, and this process is known as exothermic reaction. The students, the process in which heat energy is released is known as exothermic reaction. Similarly, when on reacting the carbon with oxygen, it will give CO2 and heat will observed, then it is an endothermic reaction. So dilute acids give acid with more water in it, and concentrated acid is acid with less water in it. That you will have to remember. Now move on the sixth equation, that when on reacting the zinc with dilute hydrochloric acid, it will give zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Similarly, on reacting the zinc powder with concentrated sulfuric acid, it will give three products, which is aqueous zinc sulfate, water and sulfur dioxide gas. Students, just see or observe the point 8. In the reaction, which is AgNO3 plus HCl give HNO3 plus HCl, there in HCl there is a downward arrow. So what it is it? So word equation, it is indicating that it is downward arrow is for precipitate, that it is forming the precipitate of white precipitate of AgCl. Now there is some word equations given on page number 19, right? So their solution you may observe on page number 10 of the notes, which is sent on 19th April 2021. Now I will give you three very short questions. You will get a 3 minutes break to write the answers. Question number 1, balance the given equation, which is Ca plus N2 gives Ca3N2. Question number 2, in a balanced equation, mass of reactant is equals to dash. Question number 3, in the given equation, tells the catalyst and temperature under which it will proceed, which is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Students, now pause this audio for 3 minutes and write the answers in your chemistry notebook. I hope you all have written the answers by now. Let us check the answers now. So answer number 1 is 3Ca plus N2 give Ca3N2. Answer number 2, mass of products. And the last answer number 3 is N2 plus 3H2, Fe plus MO, 450 degrees Celsius, and pressure is 200 to 900 atmosphere give 2NH3. Students, now I am ending the lesson for today by giving instructions and homework. You all are required to listen the audio and the video again and revise all the reactions which we have done in today's lesson. Do question number 1, 4, 5 of exercise 1B given on page number 15 of your chemistry notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.